After you create an article in Tripolis Dialog, you're able to edit this article instantly. It is also possible to add conditions to an article. This way, some of the content will only be displayed in the newsletter to specific users or user groups which meet these preset conditions. In the next few minutes, we will show you how you can create and edit an article and how you can set up article conditions. To start, go to the Content tab. Then click Newsletter. Next, select the required newsletter of which you want to add or edit articles or would like to add article conditions to. The newsletter opens in the preview mode. Click the Editor button to edit the content of the newsletter. Here you're able to create and edit articles. Click Add New to add a new article. Click Edit to modify an existing article, or click Remove to remove the article from this newsletter. You can conveniently move sections in a newsletter by holding the left mouse key on the section and drag and drop it to the preferred position. Click on the Edit button of the article you would like to edit. Now you will have the following options: Fields, Properties, and Conditions. At Fields, you are able to edit the content of the article. Here you can change title, visual, text, links, and language, amongst others. At Details, you are able to edit the label, tag, section, or the position of the article in the newsletter. Tags of articles or links will automatically be shown in the click report of the newsletter. Via Conditions, you are able to add conditions to a newsletter article. Click Conditions. With a certain condition, you can define who will and who won't see the article. The conditions can be based on contact database fields or on a group membership. You have two different options: Profile field or group subscriptions. First, we show conditions based on Profile field. Select the database field via the first drop-down menu. Next, select a parameter via the second drop-down menu. Add the required conditions. For example, sex equals women. Click Add Row to add another condition. In this case, we select Group Subscriptions to add conditions for a certain subscriber group. The article will now only be shown to women within the selected subscribers group. Select the subscribers group from the drop-down menu. Finally, you can specify which of the created conditions should apply to the article. You can choose all, at least one, or a custom condition. Click Save to add the conditions to the article. You now see conditional at the article. You have successfully edited the article and set the conditions. The conditions automatically determine whether the item is shown to the users or user groups that meet the specific conditions. Go to Preview, then click Personalize to see how the newsletter will look like for the different subscribers. In this case, the set language, Dutch or English, determines which articles are shown.